Hello student, in this session we will study about central tendency under the assessment for learning. So under central tendency we will learn what is mean, median and mode. Mean. Mean is the sum of all the observation divided by total number of observation. Here we have numbers 11, 13, 14, 19, 23. We have total 5 numbers here. So first we have to sum all these 5 numbers and divide the sum with the number of observation. We have total 5 observation here and the sum of all these numbers are 70. Divide by number of observation, which is 5. So the mean will be 14. Next is median. Second one is median. The definition of median is the mid value out of all the observation. Here in this example we have total 7 observation, which is 12, 17, 13, 11, 19, 26, 21. So first step is to arrange all these numbers in the ascending order. If we arrange all these numbers in the ascending orders, the orders will be 11, 12, 13, 17, 19, 21, 26. So the middle value out of this observation is 17 here. So 17 is the median for the numbers where we have the odd observation. Odd observation means the numbers which are in odd numbers. And if we have the observations are in even numbers, like here we have total 8 observation, 11, 12, 13, 17, 19, 21, 26, 29. These are the 8 observation. So how to calculate the median when the number of observation are in even numbers? Then we have to add the central 2 numbers or the middle 2 numbers out of this observation, add them and divide by 2. So the average value of the middle central numbers here, which is 17 and 19, divided by 2, which is 36 by 2, and the answer is 18. So 18 is the median for the even numbers. Last one is mode. As the definition suggests, the mode is the highest repeating frequency. What is highest repeating frequency? The numbers which is repeating the highest number of times. Here in this example we have number 2, 4, 6, 12, 12, 16, 18. So 12 is repeating 2 times and the highest repeating frequency number is 12. So the mode of all these numbers are 12. Let's recap all these things. So what is mean? Mean is the average of all the observation. What is median? Median is the central or middle observation. Once we arrange all the observation in the ascending order, then the middle value is our median. In case of mode, the highest frequency observation or the number which is repeating the highest number of times, it is called mode. That is all about mean, median and mode. Thank you.